In America, your behavior speaks long before you do. A firm handshake, a warm smile, and mindful manners can open doors that talent alone cannot. Social etiquette isn't about rigid rules. It's the language of respect, confidence, and character. Every gesture, tone, and expression silently defines who you are before a single word is spoken. In a nation that values individuality and personal freedom, etiquette becomes even more meaningful. It's not about uniformity, but about showing awareness and emotional maturity. Whether you're meeting a neighbor, attending a work meeting, or joining a dinner in a new city, your manners leave a lasting impression. Today, we'll explore 12 common social etiquette mistakes that quietly hold people back in everyday American life, and how to replace them with habits that inspire trust, admiration, and lasting connection. Let's begin the journey to a more polished, positive, and respected you. Number 1. Poor eye contact. In American culture, steady eye contact reflects confidence, trustworthiness, and sincerity. Avoiding it can make you seem distracted, insecure, or even dishonest. Imagine meeting a potential client in New York and looking at your phone while they speak. You instantly lose credibility. Eye contact is more than looking, it's listening with your eyes. Hold someone's gaze naturally for 3 to 5 seconds, then briefly look away before reconnecting. This balance keeps interaction warm and natural. Pair it with a genuine smile, and people will feel acknowledged and valued. Dale Carnegie emphasized that showing genuine interest in others makes them feel important and appreciated. A confident gaze tells others you respect them, and yourself. Remember, people may forget your words, but they'll remember how you made them feel in that moment of eye contact. Number 2. Interrupting conversations. In American workplaces and gatherings, cutting someone off mid-sentence signals impatience and lack of respect. It can quietly damage your image, no matter how intelligent your opinion is. Instead, listen completely. Allow short pauses after someone finishes before responding. Use small acknowledgments like, "That's an interesting point," or "I see what you mean." This simple act shows composure and emotional intelligence. Carnegie taught that listening is one of the most sincere forms of flattery. By giving others the space to finish, you create an atmosphere of mutual respect. In a culture that celebrates individuality and expression, letting others speak freely strengthens both trust and influence. Number 3. Ignoring personal space. Personal boundaries are deeply valued in America. Standing too close, leaning in excessively, or touching someone unnecessarily can make them uncomfortable. Americans often interpret these actions as invasive rather than friendly. When greeting someone, especially in professional or first-time meetings, maintain a distance of about 2 to 3 feet. If the person steps back slightly, follow their lead. It's a sign they need more space. This awareness shows empathy and social intelligence. Respecting boundaries is not coldness, it's courtesy. It communicates that you understand and respect others' comfort levels, which is highly appreciated in American social and corporate culture. Number 4. Poor phone etiquette. Few things destroy an impression faster than constant phone checking. Imagine sitting at a Los Angeles cafe while your companion keeps scrolling through notifications. It silently says, "You're not worth my attention." Good manners demand presence. Silence your phone during conversations, place it face down, and give people your undivided focus. It's a small gesture that carries tremendous respect. Dale Carnegie once said, "You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than in 2 years by trying to get people interested in you." Your attention is the most valuable gift you can offer. In an era where distraction is normal, being fully present will set you apart as mindful, mature, and truly respectful. Number 5. Not listening actively. Many people hear, but few truly listen. In American culture, active listening is seen as a sign of intelligence and respect. When someone speaks, focus completely. Avoid formulating your reply while they're still talking. Show engagement through body language. Lean slightly forward, nod, or paraphrase what they said, so you're saying, "This shows you value their input." Carnegie highlighted that the deepest principle in human nature is the craving to be appreciated. Listening well fulfills that need instantly. Whether it's a colleague, friend, or family member, people naturally trust those who listen with empathy and attention. Number 6. Overusing filler words. Frequent, like, and, dilute your message and make you sound unsure. In American professional and academic settings, articulate communication is viewed as a strength. Train yourself to pause instead of filling silence. Take a breath. Silence signals control and thoughtfulness. People who speak slowly and clearly project confidence and authority. As Carnegie believed, your attitude and tone matter more than your words. Speak with calm assurance, and others will naturally listen. Communication is not just what you say, but how you say it. Number 7. Poor table manners. Dining etiquette reflects both self-respect and respect for others. Loud chewing, talking with your mouth full, or keeping your phone on the table can ruin an impression instantly. In formal or business dinners, remember a few key points. Place your napkin on your lap, wait for everyone to be served before eating, and engage in light conversation that makes others comfortable. Keep topics positive. Avoid politics or controversy unless everyone seems open to it. Americans appreciate those who make mealtime pleasant and inclusive. How you behave at the table mirrors your overall grace. As the saying goes, good manners will open doors that the best education cannot. Number 8. Forgetting names. A name represents one's identity and self-worth. Forgetting or mispronouncing it repeatedly can come off as careless or disrespectful. When you meet someone, say in Chicago or Houston, repeat their name naturally. Nice to meet you, Sarah. It reinforces memory and builds personal connection. If you forget, don't pretend. Politely ask again, I'm sorry, could you remind me of your name? Americans appreciate honesty far more than pretense. Dale Carnegie famously said, a person's name is to that person the sweetest sound in any language. Remembering and using it appropriately is one of the simplest yet strongest forms of respect. Number 9. Negative body language. Your body often speaks louder than words. Crossed arms, lack of eye contact, or fidgeting can silently communicate boredom, frustration, or defensiveness. Adopt open, relaxed gestures. Maintain good posture. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. When you smile genuinely, it signals warmth and approachability. Americans naturally gravitate toward confident yet humble body language. Even in difficult conversations, calm expressions and steady posture display maturity. Your body should echo the message of respect that your words convey. Number 10. Not expressing gratitude. In American culture, gratitude is a cornerstone of civility. Whether it's thanking a barista for your coffee or acknowledging a coworker's help, these small gestures hold great meaning. A simple, thank you, I really appreciate it, can brighten someone's day. In workplaces, written appreciation, like a brief email of thanks, builds strong professional relationships. Dale Carnegie urged people to be hearty in their approbation and lavish in their praise. Appreciation costs nothing but builds goodwill that lasts for years. Gratitude is not just politeness, it's emotional intelligence in action. Number 11. Gossiping or complaining. Few habits harm your reputation faster than negativity. Gossip entertains for a moment, but destroys trust permanently. Complaining drains not only your own mood, but also the energy of everyone around you. Instead, redirect your words toward encouragement and solutions. Be the person who highlights strengths, not weaknesses. Americans admire optimism, especially in challenging environments. A positive voice becomes magnetic. It attracts respect and confidence. Leaders, mentors, and friends are remembered not for their criticism, but for their calm, constructive spirit. Number 12. Ignoring cultural diversity. America is a mosaic of cultures, beliefs, and traditions. Failing to recognize this diversity can lead to unintentional disrespect. Avoid assumptions about people's backgrounds, and instead, show genuine curiosity. Ask open-ended questions like, that's interesting, how do you celebrate that? Or, I'd love to learn more about your tradition. This shows humility and inclusiveness. When you celebrate diversity, you reflect true sophistication. Appreciation builds bridges. Stereotypes build walls. The more you learn about others, the more connected and compassionate you become. These 12 habits may seem small, but they shape how people perceive you across America. At work, in friendships, and in everyday interactions. The difference between being liked and being respected often lies in the details of your behavior. Social etiquette isn't about perfection, it's about presence. When you replace careless habits with awareness and empathy, confidence becomes natural. People respond warmly to those who treat them with consistent respect. As Dale Carnegie taught, success with people is 90% how you make them feel. Start practicing these refined habits today, and you'll notice the world treating you differently. More kindly, more openly, and with greater admiration. Imagine a culture where every word, gesture, and interaction reflects dignity and respect. If you believe in that vision, support this channel, and let's continue spreading the art of positive behavior across America.